Using the scale stencil, first you need to draw the circles. After that you can draw the H alphabet, then follow these steps to make this man, and he's wearing a PPE kit. As you can see, it's a necessity nowadays due to the rise in the COVID-19 cases. This one is very easy. Again, we are going to trace down a girl. For this we are making some L shapes that will actually denote the hair of the girl, and then the U shape actually the face, and see her eyes, lips and the dress. Let's try to trace down a girl. This one is wrong. Let's try to draw it in the simpler ways and it will look more good than the first one. See how easy it is. Just give it a try. She looks so adorable. Difficulty level for this type of drawing is somewhat medium, and it's best suited for the kids between the age group of 12 to 14. Actually, it's not the simple drawing, it's the drawing that is a combination of the pencil and the shading one. As you can see, just pause the video and try to follow these steps. You will be able to draw it perfectly. Thanks for watching. We will come up with more such interesting videos that will be helpful for your kids in the field of the art and craft.